Does Donald Trump have future plans already to become a US president? This could be a shift from protocol in American administration. Donald Trump is considering to fight a third term already as the US president. And Donald Trump says he also believes who the good challenger would be, and that could be Obama. Remember that Barack Obama, who's been a former US president, and Donald Trump incumbent, both have had their 2 tenures. Trump says, "I'm not joking about fighting a third term." Donald Trump has said, facing former President Obama will be a good one. Remember, however, there's been a protocol that only twice they can become presidents, but with Donald Trump in charge, would we be looking at in some way history being made or some changes being made with regard to presidential elections? Donald Trump says, "I'm not joking. I'm ready to fight the third term." And who would I like to fight it against? Of course, he's not named Biden. He says it's Obama, if it happens to be, could be a good one. Remember, Barack Obama has not expressed any intent to fight elections again for the third time. Both of them have now become president twice for the United States of America. Barack Obama, of course, remember, has had his share of charm, and the manner in which he's been able to communicate with the public, very different from who Joe Biden had been, especially perhaps in many ways the age factor there. But Donald Trump says he's ready. He wants to fight the third term. Remember, his second term has only started barely about 3 months ago. But he's already considering to fight a third term. And he says that Barack Obama would be a good one, the former president. And then he adds, "I'm not joking about fighting the third term." Remember, till now, in the past few years, we have seen that even if there's been a repeat, it's only been twice for the US president.